Exercise 15.1, unless stated otherwise take pi value 22/7. Question number 1, two cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. What they have given? They have given two cubes, cube number 1 and the cube number 2, which are connected end to end, which are connected end to end, resulting cuboid. What is this? This is the figure of cuboid. They have given volume of cube is equal to 64 centimeter cube. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We need to find out the edge of the cube, edge of first cube. What is the formula for volume of cube? A cube or side cube. A cube is equal to 64 centimeter cube. Therefore, A is equal to cube root of 64 centimeter cube. This is equal to cube root of 4 fours are 16, 16 fours are 64. That means 4 cube is nothing but what? 64 only. Okay, 4 centimeter whole cube. 4 centimeter whole cube is nothing but what? 64 centimeter cube. This cube and cube root gets cancelled. Then what is the answer? 4 centimeter is the answer. Therefore, side of 1 cube is equal to 4 centimeter. The resulting figure is cuboid. That means the length is 2 edges. Yes or no? Length is nothing but what? 2 edges. Length L is equal to 2A is equal to 2 into A. What is A value? 2 fours are 8 centimeter. Length is 8. Height is height of the cuboid. H is equal to 4 centimeter only. Then what is the breadth? It is also 4 centimeter. Okay, breadth is equal to 4 centimeter only. Therefore, we need to find out what? Total surface area. That means the total area which we can feel. That means edge 1, sorry, face 1, face 2, face 3, face 4, 5, 6. Yes or no? 6 faces. We need to find out the total surface area of cuboid. TSA of cuboid. What is the formula? 2 in bracket LB plus BH plus HL. This is equal to 2 in bracket. What is the length? 8 centimeter. What is the breadth? 4 centimeter. Okay, 4 into 4 plus 4 into 8. This is equal to 2 in bracket 8 fours are plus 4 fours are 8 fours are. Okay, this is equal to 2 in bracket 64 plus 16 74 80. That means 2 8s are 16, 160 centimeter square, because it is total surface area. If it is area, you need to take square. Right. Question number 2. A vessel is in the form of hollow hemisphere mounted by hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter and the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. What they have given? They have given a vessel which is in the form of hollow hemisphere. This one is the hollow hemisphere. Okay, on which hollow cylinder is surmounted. Surmounted means which is on the top of hemisphere. Yes or no? This is the cylinder which is on the top of hemisphere. Correct? Okay. What is the total height? Do they given? They have given the diameter of the hemisphere. What is the diameter of the hemisphere? diameter d is equal to 14 centimeter, then the radius is equal to 7 centimeter. Half of 14 is 7 centimeter. Here the radius of hemisphere is equal to the radius of cylinder. Yes or no? Therefore radius of hemisphere is equal to radius of cylinder is equal to 7 centimeter. Correct? Okay. Next, what is the height of the cylinder? Total height or height? The total height. They have given the total height. What is the total height here? 13 centimeter is the total height. But in which we need to subtract the radius of the hemisphere. Yes or no? After subtracting the radius of the hemisphere, that is 7 centimeter, what will be the height of the cylinder?
6.
Okay, total is 13. The diameter of the radius of the hemisphere is 7. 13 minus 7 is 6 centimeter. Correct? Therefore, height of cylinder is equal to 6 centimeter. What we need to find out? The inner surface area. The surface area which we can feel. The surface area which we can feel. Okay. This is the hemisphere. Yes or no? The upper surface is open. That means curved surface area of hemisphere, on which curved surface area of cylinder. Yes or no? Correct? CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere, because it is open at the top end. That means CSA, the curved surface area of hemisphere, hemisphere plus cylinder. Yeah, curved surface area curved act on the B. Why we took curved surface area only? Curved surface area only because we can feel the outer part of two geometrical figures. Yes or no? ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಔಟರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ನಾವು ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓಪನ್. ಅದು ಓಪನ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ತಗೋತೀನಿ? ಕರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಕೆಳಗೂ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅವಾಗ? ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ πr² ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅವಾಗ? ಇದೂ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ಇದೂ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ಗಳು, ಎರಡು ಸರ್ಫೇಸಸ್ಗಳು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ವು. ಎರಡು ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ πr². ಯಾಕೆ? ಇದು ಎರಡು ಕಡೆಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಹಂಗೆ ತೋತಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಟು ಎಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಓಪನ್. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಕರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್. Curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cylinder. Understood? Therefore, inner surface area of vessel is equal to CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere. What is the formula for CSA of cylinder? 2πRh plus what is the CSA of hemisphere? 2πr². What is the common here? 2πr is the common. In bracket, what is the value? H plus r. This is equal to 2 into 22 divided by 7. What is the radius? 7 centimeter. What is the height value? 6 centimeter plus 7 centimeter. Correct? 7 common, cancel. This is equal to 22 2s are 44 into 6 plus 7 13. This is equal to 572. Correct? 13 4s are 52, carry 5. 13 4s are 52 plus 3 plus 5 57. 572 centimeter square. This is the inner surface area of the vessel. Understood? Artha agtadappa? Perfect. Question number 3. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere. A toy which is mounted on a hemisphere in the form of a cone. This is the cone, yes or no? The cone which is having the base hemisphere. What is this? Hemisphere. What is this? Cone. What is the radius? 3.5. Okay, 3.5 is the radius of the cone. R, radius of cone is equal to 3.5 centimeter, which is same of that of hemisphere. What is the radius of hemisphere? Same. Radius of hemisphere is equal to 3.5 centimeter only. Then total height. What is the total height of the toy? 15. Okay. Total height h is equal to 15.5 centimeter, in which we need to subtract the radius of the hemisphere. What is the radius of the hemisphere? 3.5, correct? 3.5 centimeter. After subtracting, what we will be getting? The height of the cone, correct? Height of the cone h is equal to 15.5 minus 3.5 is equal to 12 centimeter. This is therefore height of cone is equal to 12 centimeter, correct? What we need to find out? The total surface area, the surface area of the toy, or total surface area of the toy. Look here, consider this one as a toy which is in the form of what? Cone surmounted on hemisphere. We are feeling only the outer parts of hemisphere and also cone. That means the curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere, lateral surface area. Okay, CSA of hemisphere, CSA of cone. Add madbeku averredana. Add madana. Okay, to find the CSA of cone, what is the formula? Pi r L. But we don't know the value of L. First of all, we need to find out L value. That means slant height. L is equal to, L means slant height, L of cone. L is equal to, what is the formula? Under root of h square plus r square. This is equal to under root of, what is the height? 12 square. What is the radius? 3.5 square. This is equal to 12 12 za 144. 5 5 za 25. After 3, which number? 4. 3 4 za 12 point. Okay. This is equal to, after adding, under root of 156.25. L is equal to, what is the value of? 15625. Okay. 5 za 5 3 za 5 1 za 5 3 za 5. Okay, 5 2 za 5 5 za. Next 5 6 za 5 2 za 5 5 za. 5 1 za 5 2 za 5 5 za. 5 25 za 5 5 za 5 1 za. Okay, make two number groups. Okay, 5 into 5 into 5. Each group you need to take only one number. 5 5 za 25 5 za 125. Okay, before root, after point there are two numbers. After taking roots, after point there must be one number. That means the slant height is 12.5 centimeter. Therefore the total surface area of the toy, total surface area of toy is equal to CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. Then what is the formula for CSA of cone? Pi r L plus CSA of hemisphere 2 pi r square. What is the common here? Pi r is the common. Pi r in bracket L plus 2R. L plus 2R. This is equal to 22 divided by 7 into 3.5 bracket. What is the slant height? 12.5 plus into 2 into 3.5. This is equal to 7 ones are 7 5s are 35 point 1 3 number 0. Correct? Okay. Then 22 5s are 110. 1 bit bindu, 1 bit bindu. Okay, in bracket 12.5 plus 3.5 into 2 7. This is equal to 11 in bracket 12.5 plus 7 19.5. Correct? This is equal to 11 5s are 55, 11 9s are 99, 104 10, 11 9s are 11 21.214.5 centimeter square is the total surface area of the Chuvai. Write down. Number 4, a cubical block of side 7 centimeter is surmounted by a hemisphere. There is a cubical block. The side of the cubical block is how much? 7 centimeter. Yes or no? A is equal to 7 centimeter, which is surmounted by a hemisphere. Which is surmounted by a hemisphere. Correct? This is the hemisphere. What we need to find out? What is the greatest diameter of the hemisphere which can have? Look here. This is the diameter of the hemisphere. Yes or no? That means which is equal to the edge of the cube. Therefore, the greatest diameter a hemisphere or this hemisphere can have equal to how much? A equal to 7 centimeter. The greatest diameter is 7 centimeter. Then what is the radius of the hemisphere? Radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter or just 7 divided by 2 centimeter. Eradu onde. Then what we need to find out? We need to find out the surface area of the solid. Surface area of the solid. Look here. Consider this one as a square box surmounted by hemisphere. Okay? After surmounting, you can feel. Okay? ಯಾವ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಪ್ಪ? Look here. You can feel the curved surface area of hemisphere. Yes or no? CSA of hemisphere plus first face, second face, third face, fourth face and the fifth face, also the edges of the sixth face. First of all, we need to take we will be taking the 6 sides, complete 6 sides, in which we will be subtracting the area of circle. That means bottom surface area of hemisphere. What is the bottom surface area of hemisphere? Pi r square or the circle. Yes or no? Area of circle. ಏನು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? क्या माइनस करना हमें? Total surface area of cube minus area of circle plus area of CSA of hemisphere. Okay, total surface area of cube minus circle, area of circle plus CSA of hemisphere. ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ವೈ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೆಗೆಟೆಡ್ ಪೈ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಸರ್? ವೈ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೆಗೆಟೆಡ್ pi r square, that is area of circle, because you cannot feel the bottom surface of this hemisphere. Yes or no? You cannot feel means you cannot take, you have to negate that. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? ಇದು ನಾವು 6 ಫೇಸ್ಗಳು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಟುಕ್ 6 ಫೇಸಸ್ ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ದ ಟಾಪ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್, we can feel the edges only, we cannot feel the area of circle, so we need to negate that. Yes or no? Okay, what is the total surface area here? Total surface area of solid is equal to total surface area of cube minus area of bottom circle of hemisphere plus CSA of hemisphere, CSA of hemisphere, correct? What is the formula for total surface area of cube? 6a square minus pi r square plus 2 pi r square. 6a square 2 pi r square minus pi r square pi r square, big number symbol, plus this is equal to 6 into what is the side value? 7 into 7 plus 22 divided by 7 into 3 by sorry 7 divided by 2 into 7 divided by 2. 7 7 cancel, 2 ones are 2 11s are, this is equal to 7. ಹಂಗೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ಇಯರ್. ಲುಕ್ ಇಯರ್, 7 7s are 49, 6s are 50 ತಂದ್ರೆ 300 ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. 50 ತಂದ್ರೆ 300 ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, minus 6 294 294 plus 7 11s are 77 divided by 2. This is equal to 294 plus 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16.5. After adding 332.5 centimeter square. Check the answer. Fifth question. A hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of a cubical wooden block such that the diameter of the hemisphere is L. The diameter of the hemisphere is L. That means consider one cubical wooden block in which hemisphere is cut out. ಏನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಪ್ಪ ಅವರು? ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಫಿಯರನ್ನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, what is the diameter of the hemisphere here? L. Diameter D is equal to L. Diameter is equal to the edge. Yes or no? Diameter is equal to the edge of the cube. That means A is equal to L. Edge is equal to D is equal to, or just diameter. Diameter of hemisphere is equal to L. Then radius of hemisphere is equal to L divided by 2. Correct? Okay. Then of the hemisphere is equal to the edge of the cube. Determine the surface area of the remaining solid. We need to find out the total surface area of the remaining solid. Correct? Look here. We can feel 5 faces of cube and also the edges of top face. That means we need to take all 6 faces minus pi r square, because we cannot feel the circular part of the hemisphere. Yes or no? ಅದನ್ನು ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ವುಡನ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ is equal to total surface area of cube minus area of circular part or circular end of hemisphere. Yes or no? Circular end of hemisphere plus you can feel the inner surface area of hemisphere. That means CSA of hemisphere. CSA of hemisphere. ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದೆಪ್ಪ? First of all, we took all faces of cube minus the upper circular face of hemisphere plus inner surface area of hemisphere. Then what is the formula for TSA of cube? 6a square minus pi r square plus 2 pi r square. Correct? This is equal to 6. What is a here? L square minus, okay, 2 pi r square minus pi r square plus pi r square. This is equal to 6l square plus pi into what is the radius value? What is the radius value? L by 2. L divided by 2 whole square. We haven't took the pi value here because it is general question. Since it is a general question, you need to answer the general values, not particular values. You cannot or you must not put the pi value. Okay, 6l square plus pi into l into square l square divided by 2 square 4. This is equal to 6 4s are 24 l square plus pi into l square into 1 pi l square divided by 4 ones are 4. This is equal to what is common here? L square common in bracket 24 plus pi whole divided by 4. This is the answer. Centimeter or unit, just unit square, because it is a area, that means square. Right. Question number 6. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with 2 hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. Look here, there is a cylinder, at the both of its ends there are 2 hemispheres. The length of the entire capsule is 14 millimeter. Total length is 14 millimeter. Then the diameter of the capsule is 5 millimeter. This is the diameter. D is equal to what is the radius? 5 divided by 2, that is 2.5 only. Then 5 by 2 ತೊಂತೀನಾ? 5 by 2 millimeter. This is the radius. R is equal to, this is also the radius. This is also the radius. This is equal to 2.5. This is equal to 2.5. 2.5 plus 2.5, 5. 14 minus 5, 9. 9 millimeter is the height of the cylinder. Yes or no? Height of the cylinder H is equal to 9 millimeter. Correct? Okay. Height of cylinder is equal to 9 millimeter. Radius of cylinder is equal to radius of hemispherical part is equal to 5 divided by 2 millimeter. Correct? We need to find out total surface area of capsule is equal to, we can feel only the outer parts of capsule. That means what? Outer part of cylinder and outer part of hemisphere. That means CSA of cylinder plus 2 into CSA of hemisphere. This is equal to, what is the cylinder CSA value? 2 pi RH plus 2 into 2 pi r square. What is common here? 2 pi r in bracket H plus 2 into r, 2r. This is equal to 2 into 22 divided by 7 into 5 divided by 2 in bracket. What is the height value? 9 plus 2 into 5 divided by 2. 2 cancel, 2 cancel. ನೋಡಿ 5 by 2 ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. 2.5 ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮುಂದೆ ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿನಿಲ್ಲ. This is equal to 22 5s are 110 divided by 7 into 9 plus 5 14. 2 1 7 1s are 7 2s are Okay, 220 millimeter square is the answer. Question number 7. A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. Tent is in the shape of cylinder. The base is cylinder and the top part is what? Cone. If the height and diameter of the cylinder part, height and diameter, height h is equal to 2.1 meter and the diameter d is equal to how much? Diameter of the cylinder is 4 meter respectively. 4 meter respectively. If the diameter is 4 meter, then radius is equal to 2 meter. Radius of cylinder is equal to 2 meter. Then the radius of cone also same as that of the radius of cylinder. Therefore, radius of cone R is equal to 2 meter only. And the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter. Slant height L. L is equal to 2.8 meter. Find the area of canvas used for making the tent. Find the area of making the tent. Canvas for the making the tent. Number 1. Number 2. Cost of making the tent. First of all, we need to find out the area. Since we are feeling the upper parts of cylinder and cone, so we need to add CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone. Correct? The surface area, total surface area of tent is equal to curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder. This is equal to what is CSA of cone formula? Pi r L. CSA of cylinder 2 pi r h. Since pi and pi are common, radius is also common, so we need to take pi r common in bracket L plus 2h. This is equal to pi value 22 divided by 7. What is the radius value? 2. In bracket, what is the slant height? 2.8 plus 2 into what is the height of the cylinder? 2.1. This is equal to 22 2s are 44 divided by 7. 2.8 plus 2.1 into 2, 4.2. This is equal to 44 divided by 7 into 7. After adding, you will be getting what? 7. 7 gets cancelled. 44 meter square is the area of canvas needed to build the tent. Yes or no? We need to find out the cost of the tent. Cost of tent. Cost of tent, that is 1 meter square is equal to how many rupees? I think 500 rupees. Yes or no? For 44 meter square, this is equal to 44 into 500, that is 22,000 rupees is the cost of building the tent. Understood? First of all, we need to take curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone. Right down. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter. Solid cylinder. From a solid cylinder, height is, what is the height here? Height is equal to 2.4 centimeter. 2.4 centimeter. Then, and the diameter is 1.4 centimeter. What is the diameter? 1.4 centimeter. Then the radius is equal to 0.7 centimeter. Okay. Next, a conical cavity of the same height and same diameter is hollowed out. Cavity means the material which is cut out from a solid. Material which is cut out from a solid. Hollowed out means cut out. That means total there is a solid cylinder in which we are hollowed out the cone, the cone which is having same height. Height of the cone is? Height of the cone is also h is equal to 2.4 centimeter, and the diameter is also 1.4 centimeter. Then the radius is also 0.7 centimeter. Correct? Then what we need to find out? We need to find out the total surface area of the remaining solid. Total surface area of the remaining solid. TSA is equal to question mark. Look here. Since it is a solid, yes or no? Solid. We can feel the lower part. Correct? The lower part. And the upper part is carved out. Understood? We also feel the outer surface of cylinder. Outer surface is nothing but what? CSA. Correct? Total surface area of solid is equal to, we can feel the outer surface area of cylinder. Yes or no? Cylinder, the outer surface area ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು feel ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. We can feel the outer surface area of the cylinder. That means CSA of cylinder. And also we can feel the lower circular part. Yes or no? Lower circular part of the cylinder. Therefore, circle area of circular bottom minus what we need to, not minus, what we need to add area of circle add ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಮತ್ತು upper we cannot feel, but we can feel the inner value of cone. Correct? Inner part of cone ಅದನ್ನು ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. We can feel the inner surface area of the cone, that is nothing but what? CSA of cone plus CSA of cone. Understood? Look here, the total surface area is nothing but what? The parts or the surfaces which we can feel. That means the lower surface, the side by surfaces, and the inner surface of the cone. We need to add them. Add ಮಾಡಿದೀವಾ? Then to find the CSA of cone, what is the formula here? CSA of cylinder 2 pi r h, area of circle pi r square, plus CSA of cone pi r l. We don't know the L value. To find the L value, under root of h square plus r square is the formula. This is equal to under root of, what is h value? 2.4 square plus 0.7 square. This is equal to 24 4s are 576. Okay, plus 7 7s are 49. Point of single number, point of double number. Adding them under root of 6.25. This is equal to 625 root value 2.5. Before root, after the point 2 numbers. After root value, after the point only one number, that is 2.5 centimeter. What is this? Slant height L is equal to 2.5 centimeter. 2 pi or pi r common, pi r common, pi r common. Yes or no? This is equal to pi r in bracket 2h plus r plus L. This is equal to 22 divided by 7 into 0.7 in bracket 2 into 2.4 plus 0.7 plus 2.5. Correct? Okay. This is equal to 22 divided by 7 into 7 divided by 10. 0.7 is nothing but what? 7 by 10. 0.7 can be written as 7 by 10. In bracket 2.4 2s are 4.8 plus 2.5 plus 0.7 3.2. 7 7 cancel. 2 11s are 2 5s are. This is equal to 11 divided by 5 into 8. Correct? Then 11 8s are 88 divided by 5. Okay? Then 5 1s are 5. 5 7s are 35. then 5 6 za 30 centimeter square is the total surface area of the solid. Understood? Check the answer. Question number 9, very important question. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder. Okay, there is a cylinder which is solid, there are two hemispheres which are carved out, that means cut out from the solid cylinder. These are the two hemispheres which are carved. What is the height of the cylinder here? From the solid cylinder as shown in the figure, if the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter, what is the height here? H is equal to 10 centimeter, and its base radius is 3.5 centimeter. Radius R is equal to 3.5 centimeter. It is the radius of cylinder and also hemisphere. Correct? Okay. Then find the total surface area of the solid. Okay, we can feel the outer surfaces of what? Cylinder, and the inner surfaces of hemisphere. That means CSA of cylinder plus 2 into CSA of hemisphere. Understood? We can only feel the outer part of cylinder, that is CSA of cylinder, plus 2 into inner parts of hemisphere, that is 2 into CSA of hemisphere. This is the answer. Okay, total surface area of the solid is equal to total CSA of cylinder plus 2 into CSA of hemisphere. This is equal to, what is the CSA of cylinder formula? 2 pi RH plus 2 into, what is the CSA of hemisphere? 2 pi R square. Here is also 2 pi R, here is also 2 pi R. 2 pi R is common in bracket, H plus 2 into R. This is equal to 2 into 22 divided by 7. What is the radius here? 3.5 in bracket. Look here, H, what is H value? 10 plus 2 into 3.5. This is equal to, okay, 3.5 2s are 7 into 22 divided by 7 into, in bracket, 10 plus 3.5 2s are 7 cancel, 22 into 17, correct? 17 2s are 34, carry 3, 17 2s 34, 37 centimeter square is the answer. Therefore, total surface area of the solid is 374 centimeter square. This completes the exercise 15.1. We will be moving on to the exercise 15.2. Before that, we will be having example questions. Okay.